Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's been a minute. But today we about to make some bone-in short ribs. And I'm gonna just show y'all everything I got before we get started, okay? Before we get started though, hold on. Make sure y'all get y'all cookbooks. Y'all already know the routine. Get cooking and keep cooking. On Amazon, you can search my name or you can search the title of the book, okay? Let's get into it. As y'all can see, I'm very hoarse because I've been outside. So if you ain't watched my vlogs, go watch my vlogs because I was outside for New Year's. Anyway, so that's why I sound like this. But anyway, we got these short ribs. First of all, let me just tell you something about these short ribs. They expensive as fuck. They expensive. This was $30. Damn! And it's only 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 in here. Okay? So I understand. So this is a treat. Anyway, we got some celery and carrots. I just cut them like that. Nothing too much. Oh yeah, we got an onion too. I got to get that and cut that. We got some rosemary and thyme. Some bay leaves. And I just tied it up with butcher's twine. This ain't nothing but onion powder, pepper, and salt. Okay, and then we got garlic. This is a whole bowl. And some olive oil. Y'all know how I get down. But I got to get that onion cut up and then we about to get started. Okay, so what we're going to do, y'all, is we're going to take some salt. And we just going to sprinkle it on all sides. Now, I totally forgot to tell y'all about this chicken broth I got right here. A beef broth. I got about 2 cups of beef broth. And, y'all, I got some wine. I be forgetting stuff, y'all. I'm sorry. Press it in. Take some of your other seasoning. We don't want to do too much because we're about to sear it and we don't want the seasoning just to burn right off. But we still going to use some more of this to actually season our broth, right? Then we're going to just flip them over and do the same thing on both sides and all sides. I think I'm going to use some garlic and herb seasoning too, y'all, for the broth. I think that's what I'm feeling today. Garlic and herb. Or that buttery garlic shit that I like. I'm going to use that. Now, we got seasonings on this, on the board. We're just going to turn them on the sides and get some of that seasoning. Okay? This is going to take about 3.5 hours to cook, y'all. So make sure y'all got time because I'm pressed for time. I'm rushing because I waited till the last minute like I always do. I'm making this with my mashed potatoes. Y'all know that video. Go on and make you some fresh mashed potatoes. Some homemade mashed potatoes, okay? So we're just going to add some oil to the bottom of this and let it get real hot. Now we're just going to put these short ribs in here, fat side down. Once you get this nice brown color, y'all, we're going to just remove it. Look how good it looks. We're going to add some butter. Now we're going to add our veggies in. Now you want to add your garlic and you want to kind of make sure these are like cracked open. So I'm going to crack open these. Like, let me show you. Like this. That's how y'all want it. So get the flavors up out of there. So y'all, I cooked this down for like 5 minutes before I added the garlic in. Then just add some seasoning, some black pepper. Onion powder. My bad, that was garlic powder. This is onion powder. Same difference, y'all. And that garlic buttery. tenders that I like. Okay, we're gonna do about a little bit of flour, y'all, not too much. I don't even know how much. I can't tell you. Just sprinkle some in there. That looks good enough for me. Just gonna cook off that raw flour taste. You already know. Basically until you don't see no more of the white. Now we're gonna just add some wine. I don't know how much, y'all. What do you think is best? Maybe about a cup or so. We're gonna allow this to cook for about 5 minutes before we add in the meat and the chicken broth or the beef broth. It's already getting thick, as y'all can see. It look like grape jelly. Then you're just gonna deglaze the bottom, scrape that bottom of it. Make sure you get all the flavors from the bottom. Okay, y'all, I like to add a little Worcestershire, just a little of that. A sprinkle of soy sauce and some tomato paste, maybe about a tablespoon. Now we could have added the tomato paste with the vegetables, but it really don't matter. We're just gonna break it down. Okay, y'all, now we're gonna add this beef broth, and you can pretty much use either like 2 cups or that's about 2 cups, so I need more than that. I'm gonna use the whole box. Hold on. So now we're gonna add this meat back in. Okay, then we're just gonna add our bay leaves and our thyme and rosemary. Preheat your oven to 375, and we're gonna cook this for about 3 hours and a half. Okay, y'all, so this is actually after the 4 hours. Let's just check the tenderness on this thing. See if we can get some bones to come out. So what we're gonna do is move this and get another pot, and we're gonna figure it out. Hold on. So we're just gonna pour this juice in this sifter. Good enough, good enough. All of our juice. So you kind of want to just stir this for about 30 minutes because you want to reduce it. We have this on medium to low heat. This is about halfway through. Y'all can see how it's starting to thicken up. Okay, y'all, so for the last 5 minutes I did turn it down, and as y'all can see, it has reduced and is thick, just like I like it. So we're gonna add about a tablespoon or 2 of butter, and we're gonna let this cook down for the last 5 minutes just to smooth it out. Okay, so now that this is done, we got the butter all melted and everything. We're gonna add our short ribs back in. Put some of that on top like that. And then we're also gonna use this for our potatoes. Okay, you wanna just put the short ribs on the mashed potatoes, like so. Okay, that's what we're gonna do. I ain't gonna tell you no lie. Literally, the gravy is so rich and dark, just like how I like it. So y'all, this is how it came out. Don't forget the grocery list is in the description below. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe. Y'all, sorry that it's so loud. We watching football. But let me know what y'all want to see, what y'all want to cook, what y'all want to learn.
Hit that subscribe button.